Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank the organizer for having this third international conference on tourism, technology and business management 2020. The title of the paper that I'm going to present today is Human Capital Challenges and Innovation in Hotel Industry, a case study of the Datai Langkawi. This paper is authored by me, Eshaby Mustafa, and co-authored by Nur Azimin Zainal, Muhammad Shah Kamal Idris, and Nur Hafizi Nordin. And we are all from the School of Tourism, Hospitality and Event Management, Universiti Utara, Malaysia. The Datai Langkawi officially closed its doors on 4th of September 2017 for an extensive restoration project. And during the resort's closure, the Datai Langkawi was the first hotel in Malaysia that offered its employees an advanced education program with the launch of Datai Investing People or DIP program. This is a tailor-made program in collaboration with leading hospitality universities such as Universiti Utara Malaysia and Taylor's University. The DIP program is a professional course dedicated to train members of staff in the concept and practicalities of delivering high quality and consistent service levels. The staffs in the mid-management position took part in the Advanced Certificate of Excellence for Executives in Hospitality Management from Universiti Utara Malaysia in partnership with Overview Sendirian Berhad. And the rank and file staffs, they took the Certificate of Achievement in partnership with Taylor's University. Therefore, this study will focus on the staffs who took part in the executive track. The structure of the DIP executive track. This is a one-week course for each of the module presented, which is sales and marketing, housekeeping, food and beverage, human resources, front office, inventory, law, and others. The course requirements are general discussion, test and group presentation at the end. All the participants were assessed by the module instructor, and grades were given after all assessments were compiled, reviewed, and endorsed by another representative from the Datai and Overview Sendirian Berhad. Altogether, there are 48 participants, and they all derived from various departments in the hotel, from the front office, kitchen, F&B, housekeeping, accounting, concierge, butler, as well as bartender. So the age range of the participant is between 22 to 48 years old. And most of them have several different education background. They have degrees, they have master certificate, and also SPM. The nationality of the participants are Malaysian, Indonesian, Philippines, and Thai. So for this particular study, there are 9 participants who volunteered to be interviewed. The department or the operation that they are involved in is from the front office, concierge, recreation, purchasing department, F&B, housekeeping, kitchen, and accounting. And as you can see, the education background for all the 9 participants who volunteered for this study range from SPM to Masters. And all the participants for the interview are Malaysian. So, the objectives of this case study is first to explore the impact of the IP program to the employees, and next to understand the challenges experienced by the employees when participating in this program. And also to expose the practice and importance of HR training and development practices. And next, to explore how HR practices may impact the overall performance of employees and organization, and also how they could develop human capital. And finally, to synthesize the issues and challenges of HRD practice. So there are a few significance of this case study. Firstly, managerial implication. This study will help the management of the Datai to analyze the significance in their investment towards HRD. And also because the DIP program was the first ever conducted, and such effort should be documented and exemplified by others to ensure that this program can be implemented in other tourism and hospitality industry. So implication to practice, and such training program offered by UUM should also be studied and documented as evidence, towards informing other stakeholders of the expertise and consultation services that can be provided to other organizations. So the research methodology for this study is we employed a semi-structured interview with a DIP participant 1 year after the DIP program was conducted. This is to allow us to review and explore the significance and effectiveness of the program. So 9 participants were selected, or rather they volunteered for the interview. And also we did conduct one interview with the HR department officers, because they are also involved with the development, with the implementation of the DIP program. And the data from the interview were recorded and transcribed verbatim. Thematic analysis was applied then to analyze the interview transcription. So, using thematic analysis, these are the themes that we derive. The first is improve managerial skills. In order to present the findings, we included the citation from the interview transcript, and these are what the participants of the DIP program claims. The overall work management for me is better. Before DIP, I worked in receiving, but did not explore the administration side. After I joined this program, I started to manage it. Any issue, I will email the supplier and file it. Before that, I never explore. I joined the IP and practice work in management. I'm grateful for this study because now I learn how to manage. This is from purchasing department, and this respondent has a diploma. Secondly, I can see that who joined the IP program have changes in terms of self-management, working with another associate, guest, external or internal in this hotel. We follow rules of punctuality, work, management, operation. I give a simple example. PLOC, planning, lead, organize, and control. It is simple, and in this DIP program, we have learned about costing, timeline, leadership, and many benefits that bring back to work in Datai. This is from Food and Beverage Department, and this respondent graduated with SPM, okay? And he has been serving the Datai for more than 20 years. Before that, we felt relaxed with our current position. After this program, we understand how the management works and start to think about upper management role. This is from housekeeping department with a diploma. It's hard for me to make my staff follow my instruction. Now, I think my managerial and leader skill is better. This is from purchasing, and this person has a diploma. The second theme that we derive is development and improvement. So we know the responsibility of general manager and understand staff's pressure. We understand about another department's function. In this DIP program, I have learned new things. Before joining this program, we don't know the function of other departments and other people's tasks in hotel. Now, at least we learn the basic. Just imagine knowing theory and practical. So many practical. I know we should concentrate in service, but now I think about administrative work. After DIP, I have greatly widened my perspective and think maturely. I find that people take me seriously and listen to us. So see how these changes have improved their work performance at the Datai. So it can be said that this DIP program has a lot of beneficial factors that can help improve their level of job performance and quality. The third theme that derived from the analysis is interdepartmental communication. I realize there are so many people that I am not close with them, although we are working in the same company. The reason is we are different departments. We never work together. After that, we have relayed the DIP program. Then we become friends and help each other. We don't understand because we don't know what they are doing. But now we understand. The internal communication between departments are very good now. And this also increased our understanding how others work. what the issue. We work better now and we know our group from DIP. And the final thing that we conclude is challenges. The first challenge is unexciting approach of the program. I think the last week of this program have games, and the games are quite not interesting. It's like it does not give any impact. I think the game have objective, but the objective was not achieved. I saw the conflict between the lecturers and the student become confused. The second challenge is unable to fit into classroom setting. During that time, you need to sit down and listen to the lecture. The first week was difficult for me. Most of the time, I need my listening skill. Normally, people listen to us. Along the way, I learned to adjust myself. It is a really good exploitation because I never knew how was university and campus life. So with this program, it is a very good for me. In terms of learning, it is quite challenging. We need to follow many things, such as time, discipline, attitude. It is because working in a hotel are not the same. For example, the personality of hotelier, we need to learn to be like a student. The way we speak, we can't smoke, the way we talk, we need to control. After the third or fourth day, we just understand the concept of university. You have to be silent, no smoking, we learn about nutrition of food. We can see the difference and now we make changes and try it at a working place. The way of how we work is also different now. It is quite hard because we need to learn all. The module include basic assignment only, so it's okay. But certain assignment and presentation is hard because I am not familiar with other departments' operation yet at the beginning. So, to discuss all the findings, it is found that the knowledge, skill, and abilities of employees acquired in the education system and through work experience constitute the human capital available in an organization. This means that they have acquired all the practical skills during their work, but they were never exposed to the theoretical part of it. So by having both of this experience and also knowledge, these two combined will make a really good quality human capital for any firm. And this study has also shown that certain orientation in HRM practices are a fundamental way of firm to be able to influence the level of human capital. Training and development practices may also improve the level of human capital in the firm. Additionally, a good training and educational program such as DIP increases the possibility of employees being exposed to diverse knowledge domains, and it can enhance the development of human capital. And don't forget that investment in training will not only increase individual performance, but also encourage employees to adjust their knowledge and skills to organizational needs. And additionally, as a complement to training, organization can encourage professional development of their employees to help them build idiosyncratic knowledge, which will be more valuable for the firm than for its competitors. The challenge mentioned by the respondent provides suggestions to improve on HR training and development program, which can be a catalyst for innovative HR practices. The result of this study could then be an indication that HR practices in the hospitality sector must be analyzed by considering the possible existence of different practices for the different categories of workers. And recommendation for future research. The data from this paper showed that additional research is necessary to further examine various innovative practices applied by HR in hospitality sector. Studies of this type will lead to a better understanding of the link between HR practices and human capital. And it is important for the hospitality firms to encourage teamwork and to cultivate a spirit of cooperation between their workers. Encourage them to gain expertise and skills through innovative training and development programs such as the DIP. With this, I end my presentation. Thank you very much to everyone for listening. Your feedback and comments is greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.